Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and naming the organizer. This is the account that pays and invites others. Make sure you have an Apple ID with a valid payment method and iCloud enabled. Once done, subscribe to the Apple One Family tier. Individual plans won't allow sharing. Next, open Settings and create the family sharing group, add the organizer's contact details, and enable shared purchases and iCloud storage. This sets payment, permissions, and the base services you'll distribute to family members. You now invite and assign services to each member. This is the detailed execution step. From family sharing, tap Add Person and choose iMessage, email, or device invitation. Send the invite and wait for acceptance. Once they accept with their Apple ID, make sure they enable iCloud and sign into the same Apple ID on their devices. After acceptance, check that Apple Music, TV Plus, Arcade, News Plus, and the pooled iCloud storage appear under Subscriptions. This confirms services are active and correctly assigned. Finish by verifying payment and access. Look at the organizer's billing to confirm a single Apple One charge, and then open each member's subscriptions to ensure service access. Once done, review device limits like simultaneous streams or iCloud storage usage and adjust settings if someone hits a cap. If a member doesn't see shared services, try simple fixes. Sign out and sign back in, update iOS, or remove and re-add that person to family sharing. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.